This tutorial is for how to create an account on VoqueFit.com. So you're going to navigate to your web browser and search for www.VoqueFit.com. And you can see here that I made a typo, but it is still the first result that pops up. And once you click that first result, it should take you to the home page, which is shown here. And once you get to this page, you're going to click Login in the upper right-hand corner of the home page, and this will take you to a new page. And you are going to click the red button at the top right of the screen that says Create an Account, unless you already have an email associated with the site. Once you get to this page, you're going to enter all of your information and use the email that you want associated with your account, whether it's a personal or professional email. And once you've entered all your information, you're going to click the red register button at the bottom left of the screen. And if you don't already have an account, after clicking this button, your account will be created. If you already have an account with this email, you will get an error message, and there may already be an existing account with your email. So you're going to try returning to the login page and use that email to log in. And then what you're going to do is you're going to enter something into the password box and click login. It'll give you another error message. And then you're going to click Forgot Password below the red login button. And here you're going to enter your email, the same one that you entered on that register page, and you're going to click the red Get Link button below that. And then it'll say that it sent you a password reset link. So then what you are going to do is you are going to navigate to your email. Sometimes these end up in spam folders, so make sure to check your spam. You're going to click on the email and click Reset Password. After you do that, you are going to enter your new password twice, once in the password box and once in the password confirmation box. And after that, you are going to click Submit, and you are logged in and your password has been reset.